Somebody about to burglarize my van, people. See that? The grace of God. I had on my mind to get an alarm system. Look at him, y'all. Look how bold he is. 4:51 a.m. Look at him. To the grace of God, y'all. Look what's going on, though. Y'all see? He just broke the window. No, something is about to scare him away, people. Something is about to scare him away. I got over $7,000. Look at that cat. Y'all see that cat? Did y'all see that cat right there? Let me wind it for you right quick. Look to the right side, y'all. Look real close. Look what's about to scare him away. See that cat right there? Boom, see the cat? That scared him away. Through the grace of God. Through the grace of God. He could have stole all my tools, people. Thank you, Jesus. God's been so good to me. Don't matter how bad something look. There's always a blessing. It could have been worse. We only look at what happened. Yeah, my window got broken, but he didn't get anything. He could have got everything. Now I know to install me an alarm system. Have a good day, people. Thank you, Jesus.